So here we go. New axle time on the Red Frontier. As you can see, that axle boot is totally split. Also, you gotta put some new tie rod boots on. Also, what I found is, I don't know if you can see this, but down here, my shock mounts, let's see if I can focus, are totally cracked and smushed in. This one's not as bad as the other side, which is pretty terrible, but so we're gonna have to get some new lower control arms, but for now I got Sean working for me. What's up, Sean?
What's up?
As you can see, this one is totally demolished. The bolt's not even straight anymore. And yeah, so we got this boot coming out. So with this, you pull the upper control arm. You can actually get the axle out without doing anything else, but you can't get it past this part on the Titan swap. So we're unbolting the shock. We're gonna unbolt it from the top because I don't want to deal with the lower arm right now. I'll bring it over to my my lift and do that the other place. Then I'll do get that taken care of. But for now, just getting new axles in. So that's what we got going today. And that's what happens when you beat on your truck too hard. You don't take care of it. You smash.
Hulk smash.
Stuff. So yeah, that's what we got going today. That's fun. All done on this side. As I don't know if I showed you, but the shock mount on this side is like twice as bad as the other side. And I was gonna put new lower control arms in, but I don't feel like driving over and get those and then doing all that business. So just new axles today, and we'll start on the other side, finish that up, and that'll be a quick job, and put another band-aid on the old red on the old red dragon. Band-aid her together and go break her again, right? So anyhow, that's about it. It's pretty easy. We dropped this shock down and pulled it out, and that gives you the room to pull this old axle in. Let me show the old axle. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's basically just like sand in there. So this is some pretty good sandy grease. I mean, it's not totally dry, so there's that, but it's no good anymore, that's for sure. So yeah, up next. What's up, guys? The truck is finished. It's my birthday and I'm action suit crewed. Tonight we're gonna go out, we're gonna have a good time, and I know what time it is. It's action suit crew time. Yep, double checked, sure is. Let's go. That's a smoky drink right there. This is how it's done. People get their pictures. This is what the drink looks like. I'm gonna bathe in it real quick if you don't mind. Yeah. I think I bathed too hard. Bathed. I was bathing in it. Ooh. Woo! Oh, look at that. Every single time. Cheers, y'all.